know I stopped you?
No, I do not.
You know how fast you were going?
No, I do not. I know the light went to turn red, and I tried to get through it.
Way before that, like coming over the top of that bridge. You didn't see me sitting in there?
I did not.
Went a little fast with that 350Z there too, huh?
I didn't see it.
Come on, man. We wouldn't be having this conversation. There was that 350Z next to you. You guys were jawing around with each other.
That was the M5. I didn't do that.
So,
how fast did you get me going?
What's that?
How fast did you get me going? I didn't think I was speeding.
okay. Well, was it the BMW that was coming up next to you?
It was. I didn't go fast. There was a BMW that whizzed by. Didn't you hear his loud exhaust?
I did hear his exhaust.
Was that
That's
V10?
yeah,
No, this is the slowest car of the three. That was a 370Z actually.
Well, I saw you. And I saw you kind of moving through. So if it was the BMW,
it was the M5.
Yeah, I just kind of looked up because I was watching eastbound traffic.
Yeah, no.
As you guys went past me,
it was him. It was loud as could be, dude. That's why I was wondering why I was getting pulled over. But yeah, he turned left there real fast. And that's probably
Val Vista?
Yeah,
Probably
he saw you, and I was just going. I was like, I didn't know, and all of a sudden I saw you come. I was like, why is he coming for me?
Yeah. All right. Well,
sorry about that, man.
No, you're good, man. I saw 3 black-colored cars go past me, and as I was kind of looking, because I had to jump out and go westbound, I saw you kind of, making your lane changes, and
I went around the dump truck. So, and then I put my hands up here just because I respect law enforcement.
No, I get it, man.
Because I saw you come creeping, I was like, well, I don't have a gun, I got my hands here.
Yeah, I know. Well, 2 most dangerous things we do:
Yeah.
traffic stops
Mm-hmm.
and domestic violence calls. So I have no idea who I'm walking up on, and I apologize if it was a BMW.
It was.
I bet on me.
It was.
I
Because
just
it was
saw
way
the
louder.
cars,
Yeah, he
and
went
I didn't see
around.
your jack-offs.
He turned left right there about Vista. That makes sense why he jetted left so fast.
Yeah. So, all right, cool. Well, hey, man.
I'll keep it safe.
I apologize.
Sorry. Yeah, it wasn't me this time. It really wasn't.
All right, here's all your stuff, man.
Okay.
Hey, drive safe.
Hey, thank you.
All right?
All right, have a good day, sir.
All right.